Hi, I'm Con from HDANYWHERE, and today I'll be unboxing the MHUB U 4x1+1, or the MHUB Mini as we like to call it in the office. This is our smallest and most affordable matrix yet, designed with the average size properties and apartments in mind. But this 2-zone MHUB is packed full of powerful features and runs totally silent as there are no fans humming away in the background. Looking at the box, you'll notice a circular symbol that we are putting on all the packaging of our Wi-Fi enabled products, so no need for that dedicated LAN cable anymore. Our uControl logo to show the MHUB Mini has our powerful zero programming control system on board, giving you the power to control and automate all sources, both displays, the MHUB Mini itself, and even an AVR from our beautiful and easy to use app that also supports sequences and even voice control, adding that extra element of convenience and delight. Tell you what, let's just open this box up. The first thing you'll find is the instruction manual. This is full of useful info, usage diagrams, how-tos like pairing up your MHUB with the Wi-Fi network. This is the RX, the receiver, for Zone B. With its slender design, you can pop this behind your TV, hidden away up to 40 meters at 4K or 70 meters at 1080p. And is powered by HDBaseT Class B from the MHUB's output, feeding the display with up to 18G content using our tipping point compression with the HDMI out. And here are the IR in and out ports for controlling the TV or the MHUB, plus the power indicator on the front. Now for the MHUB itself. The first thing you'll see is the quality control sticker letting you know who has tested the device and the date that it was checked. On the front, you'll find the power indicator, the 2-zone output selectors, and our HDA logo that also doubles as an infrared receiver. The side has our well-known ventilation slot pattern. A little fun fact, it's also etched on the glass doors around the office. Let's take a quick tour of the rear panel. A Wi-Fi port for you to mount an aerial on, and a LAN port, allowing you to have wireless or wired network connection options. 4 18G HDMI source inputs, so you can connect devices like Sky, Apple TV and so on. Zone A is an 18G HDMI output with ARC and CEC support. Zone B is a rock-solid HDBaseT Class B output, feeding our slender POH display receiver with up to 18G content using our tipping point compression and also a mirrored HDMI output. The MHUB Mini has built-in downscaling for both HDMI and HDBaseT zones. There are 2 audio extraction sets, one for each zone, and discrete IR ports integrating connected devices to and from the MHUB Mini, and an RS-232 port. Next, you'll find 7 infrared transmitter cables. These will be used to send IR signals to the devices from the MHUB, and 3 infrared receiver cables to send IR signals to the MHUB. 2 3-pin Phoenix connectors and rubber feet, HDMI IR dongle, display receiver mounting brackets with screws, a master remote control video switching only, 24 volt 1 amp power supply with regional sockets, and most importantly the aerial to attach the Wi-Fi port on the MHUB. We have some powerful drivers that essentially allow brands like Control4 to hijack our IR and CEC ports and even call ARC on demand, making the MHUB Mini a powerful companion to smart home systems. But the most comprehensive control of MHUB Mini entertainment system is from uControl. Download the app now and try it out in demo mode. It will give you a feel for what I'm on about. MHUB Mini is perfect for households with only 2 displays, but needing all the power and convenience of a media hub that makes tech invisible and entertainment come alive. To find out more about the MHUB U 4x1+1, go to HDANYWHERE.com and check out the product link on the top of the page. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.